Okay. Billy's gonna go get a close-up. Go get a close-up.
Okay.
Say hi, Billy. It's already on.
Hello. Alright, so I don't want to seem as narcissistic as my father, but I'm going to do a close-up of my face first. See? Oh! Alright, so the hive went from about there to right about here. See right there. For the propolis ends. So it's quite a large hive. Let's see, there's Sean. Say hello, Sean. Sean! There we go. There's Sean. Alright. So like I said, the hive went from here. Actually, they have comb up in there too. I don't know if you can see it. But, so it goes from about here to all the way. I did not drop this phone. See, and it goes all the way to there. What's up? Yeah, I was told to take some video.